Welcome to the weather briefing for the week of June 27th, 2013. This briefing is brought to you by the National Weather Service in Riverton. So let's get started looking at the upcoming week. First off, the maps we'll be using today, these purples and grays indicating where the warmer temperatures are, where we see these oranges and reds, some of the cooler temperatures. Jet stream separating those two air masses on Friday, where we see these brighter colors indicating where we have some moisture available in the atmosphere. As you can see, really none of that around on Friday for Wyoming. Might get a stray isolated shower in the northern mountains in the afternoon, but otherwise it'll be dry across the state on Friday. Warm to hot, temperatures above normal, 85 to 95 across the lower elevations, about 10 degrees cooler in the mountains. Again, that jet stream well to the north, keeping the active weather up well even into Canada and away from Wyoming. However, by Saturday, this high-pressure system that has been in control across the Four Corners region starts to recycle some moisture in this clockwise movement, and that should bring some moisture back into Wyoming and kind of a southwest flow aloft, so we'll see a better chance for showers and a few thunderstorms across the northwest and perhaps the central mountains on Saturday. Otherwise, still probably mainly dry across the lower elevations. Temperature should be similar to Friday, and again, the jet stream staying to our north. On Sunday, we'll see some mountain showers continuing. More of a northerly flow as this ridge of high pressure starts to surge a little bit farther north into the Great Basin, and it sharpens up. So as this low pressure strengthens off the coast, this ridge gets very sharp in appearance. That gives us more of a northerly flow across the state on Sunday. Overall, very similar to Saturday, perhaps a degree cooler, but nothing too exciting there for Sunday. As we head to Monday and Tuesday, though, that northern stream of this jet stream gets a little more active, perhaps gives us a better chance of some showers and storms in the northern mountains, maybe into the central mountains as well. The southwest looks to stay dry for Monday and Tuesday. We will see some cooler air starts to back its way into the region in this northerly flow. So up against the Continental Divide, we'll see kind of a breezy north to northeast flow, and again some cooler temperatures, while the western valleys and the desert southwest of Wyoming stays a little bit warmer and drier. The next weather maker sitting up here poised over the Canadian central provinces looks like it's going to start making its way here on Wednesday, and in fact here it is on Wednesday, where we see this low pressure is now moved into the western Dakotas. This is, again, hypothetical, what could happen next Wednesday, but right now both of our extended range models that we typically use, both kind of indicating this cooler weather pattern on the way for Wyoming, especially across the north half of the state for Wednesday. Definitely cooler temperatures, it looks like, maybe even slightly below seasonal temperatures, 75 to 85 across the lower elevations, cooler, of course, in the mountains. We'll see how this plays out for the 4th of July as this low pressure may set up shop across the region, bringing us cooler temperatures and a better chance of showers and thunderstorms each day. So let's take a quick look at the temperatures across the region. Again, you can see that through the weekend, generally staying anywhere from 85 to probably 95 at some places in the Bighorn Basin in this range. And then as we head into the first part of next week, we start to trend downward, and in fact, Wednesday and probably the 4th of July looking like they could even be below normal for high temperatures across the region. And a look ahead beyond the 4th of July, which we'll be talking about here very soon next week. Looks like it's going to be a very convoluted pattern, probably difficult to assess right now just if it'll be near normal or not, but our Climate Prediction Center indicating a below normal precipitation as we head into the following weekend with temperatures trying to rebound and get back to above normal. We'll see how that pans out as we take a look at our special edition for the 4th of July weekend outlook, which will be coming up Tuesday. Hopefully we'll have a better understanding of the low pressure system heading in for Wednesday and the 4th of July, and then the weekend beyond, how things will pan out. So stay alert this weekend. There are some partial burning bans that have been placed into effect. Just be careful when you're out there, and be safe. If you have any questions, you can call us anytime at 1-800-211-1448. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you on Tuesday.